Morning world! Tofu's fidgeting. It's another episode today and it's another watch unboxing episode. Ooh, Tofu doesn't want to be... She doesn't want to be carried like that, so let me just poke her like that so y'all can see her. She's in a very lazy mood today. Anyways, it is a watch unboxing today. And we've got something from Japan. It is a JDM Japan only variant. But I'm pretty sure you can get this like online as well. Except when I was looking, most of the places have it sold out or on back order. So we were actually hunting for this in Japan for a while, for this last trip that we were there. Couldn't really find it every single store until the last day at the Seiko boutique in Osaka that we were able to get this one. So I'll tell more about the story after we finish the unboxing. But let's unbox it. Alright, and before we get into the unboxing, we have wristwatch check. What we have on our wrist today is the Tudor Black Bay 58 Watches for Good Google Edition. Love this one to bits. Anyway, so we have here the Seiko 5 Sports Field Sports style, and it's called the GMT white dial. The reference number SBSC009. Comes in a pretty basic Seiko box. Alright, but we have the box with the Seiko 5 logo over here, and on the other side, your worldwide guarantee and instructions. The cool thing is that the guarantee is worldwide, so you can actually literally bring it to a Seiko boutique or a Seiko store. And I've got my serial number and my receipt in there. And of course, mechanical watch instructions. This one is a 4R34 movement. And let's get into the main unboxing. Of course, on the side here I do have my tuner. Nothing else in the box, as you can see. So let's go in and check out the box. Here, let me just put this here. There we go. Oh, I was really looking forward to getting this. And check that out. Yo! Look at that! I was super excited to get this. They had adjusted this to my wrist already in the store. We were literally one of the last folks in the store. And let me just put that down and close the box here. Let's have that there. And let's take a closer look at the watch. Of course, this is Seiko's JDM piece. Now you can get the other colors, but they have 3 different colors that is JDM exclusive. One is the white dial, one is the black dial, and the other one is full black with a I'm not sure if it's in a NATO style strap or something like that. Again, the movement is caliber 4R34, and we have Lumibright as the lume. Oh, can you see that? Okay. As the lume go on the background, of course. The case is stainless steel, and we've got a push-pull crown. Lug width is 20mm. The crystal is hard lex. It is struggling to. Okay, a strap stainless steel, water resistance to 100 meters, and of course case dimensions 34mm in diameter and 47.9mm lug to lug, and of course 13.6mm thick. On the back of the watch, look at that, you got an open case back as well. There's no numberings, no limited numbers of course, but it is a JDM only piece, and this definitely looks like your Explorer 2, right, doesn't it? And that's pretty awesome. Now, again, so for the crown, what you can do, how do you adjust the watch is literally to again pull up the crown to adjust the watch, and of course the GMT hand moves along with it as well, you can see there. And then if you have it on the first notch, pushing it up, rotating it up changes the GMT hand, or rather swings the GMT hand around. Look at that. Okay, and then pulling it down changes the calendar, the date window, date, of course. Okay, I'm gonna set it up later in a bit. It was already set up, but I left it in the box because I wanted to film this unboxing video. But let's see how it wears on the wrist. Yo. Check that out! Oh, this is a nice piece, and you know, I think all watches have stories, and this one naturally has its story as well. But yeah, I really enjoy it. Let's get to the story portion of this quick unboxing. Alright, and it's done. I set the time already. But yeah, so the story is, again, you know, this watch is a little bit tough to come by recently. Even in the Japanese market, it's super difficult. I went to a couple of, I thought you could only get it in secondhand stores now. Went to some of the secondhand stores and they're like, nope, so sorry, it's a Seiko boutique only. Went to some of the other Seiko stores, obviously not heeding the advice that it is a Seiko boutique only release, right? Or you can only get it from the Seiko boutique. I went to other stores within the Kochi area, in Kobe, and some stores in Osaka, and they're all like, nope, sorry, we are sold out. We've only got the black models in store. The white model is out already. We don't have that in stock anymore. And what we actually did was, again, you know, not give up hope. There was another Seiko boutique around the Umeda area, but we were met with a little bit of, you know, they weren't very excited apparently because admittedly I went in almost close to closing, right? But they weren't very keen in actually coming over to help out. But it's fine, right? And I asked them about this this model, and they said that yeah, no, we don't have that, right? Okay, so didn't lose hope. And until the last night of the trip, we were rushing down because there was a Seiko boutique around the Shinsaibashi area. I think that's further up if I'm not wrong, and managed to go in, I think literally about 15 minutes before they were closing. And then Tofu clearly does not want to. Tofu, no. Okay, Tofu's on my lap now. She clearly does not want to be carried in front of the camera. She's camera shy. But yeah, anyways, like I was saying, in the end, went down to the Seiko store, Seiko boutique in Shinsaibashi, and that was the one, again, further up again. I'll link it in the description. But then again, you might not be able to get it now because I bought literally the last piece that was on display. And I asked them, hey, is there any, is this literally the last piece? They're like, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna buy it now, right? So I made the purchase, and the store staff over there was super friendly, way friendlier than the one at the Umeda area. And yeah, and it was just a very nice experience through and through. Managed to, of course, get this a little bit cheaper as well, you know, because of the tax free, and yeah, and the precision and level of service and detail that they actually give is amazing, right? The sales guy came over and he's like, all right, we gotta set this up for you. Really checked out how the watch sits on the wrist, and you know, took out the bracelet links for me and made sure it's all right. And before we left, he's like, oh wait, hang on, and he took out his phone and then he searched for the current official time. He pulled out the crown to set the watch to 00 seconds, right? Means of course second hand facing the 12 o'clock mark. And then he waited, and he waited for the time to really strike the official time, like the accurate time, and then he locked in the crown. That's really just Japanese service for you. It's pretty insane. And then he teaches you, all right, yeah, this is it's an automatic movement. You can actually wind it just by wearing the watch, moving the watch around. You can also turn the crown as well, and of course he tells you how much will the watch keep its time, and you know, day on day and things like that. Could be faster a little, could be slower a little, you know, the usual stuff, which he didn't really need to, but he did. But this piece is just so amazing, and I'm just so glad. And this whole trip, again, there were watches that I wanted to get, but I really held off. And I was thinking, yeah, maybe not, maybe let's just see if we can get this piece. I wanted to buy a G-Shock as well, which is a sort of like a limited run G-Shock with Undefeated. I think that was the brown 6900 if I'm not wrong. Didn't manage to buy that in the end, but still happy that I managed to get this piece. This piece is gonna be, and this is my first GMT. So, and it looks like a bloody Explorer. So do you have one of these? Do you like it? If you don't have it, would you want to get one of these? And if not, yeah, Explorer gang, what are your thoughts on this as well, right? Do you think it's just a copy, or yeah, let me know in the comments below. But lovely piece, really love how it sits on the wrist. I think I might have just found the travel watch already, because also the fact that it has a GMT hand, it makes it all the more better, right? So there are a couple of watches that I do in rotation, especially for travel. Most of the times it's G-Shocks. I don't know what watches do you travel with as well. Also tell me in the comment section below. And if I go to a more beachy area, like, you know, a most recent trip to Bali, I had my tuner on the wrist also. But yeah, that's that actually. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this quick episode of unboxing episode of the SBSC 009 Seiko. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your stories. See you in another episode. Bye bye.